Harper's Bazaar Arabia, I'm Hindash, and I'm going to share with you my morning skincare routine. Alright, so I'm going to talk to you a bit about my skin. I usually am very oily. I wake up kind of with oily skin. So I do wash in the morning, and this is the current face wash that I'm using. It's the Ole Henriksen Truth Juice. And what I really like about this is that it has sort of PHAs and acids that really exfoliate my skin. And I just wet my skin a bit. My pet peeve is washing my face when I'm fully clothed. I really don't like washing my face when I'm not in the shower. But what's really great about this cleanser is that it foams up, but not in an aggressive way. And it's meant to be a really great makeup remover actually if you have any residue left behind. And it smells like oranges. I love the smell of orange. So I'm just rubbing this in gently. I know my skin gets a bit red when I wash my face because I'm a bit sensitive, but it goes away. I just put a bit more water to get it going. And again, if I'm in the shower, I take it down my neck and everything, but I really dislike the feeling of water running down when I'm clothed. Alright, so after I wash my face, now I move on to toner or a treatment. And honestly guys, I usually skip this step. I'm not a big toner person. I do like it at night, but during the day I like to have as little product on my face as possible. So I'm gonna try to talk you through what I do at night as well, just to make it less boring. And again, I might be getting a bit red, but it's just my skin. And I am one of these people that like to let their products dry in between because I don't like to layer on a lot of stuff. Next, I move on to serum, and this is my Dr. Barber Sturm Super Anti-Aging Serum. I've finished 2 of the hyaluronic acid serums, and I really love them. I really do. Yes, I do know they are overpriced, and honestly, I am trying other things right now, but I am finishing up my Super Anti-Aging Serum. But I do really love her products. I haven't really tried something from her that I didn't like, so yeah. And again, serums really work for my skin. I am oily, so I like to get all my actives in a form of a serum rather than a thicker cream or a heavier moisturizer. And I'm gonna take some of that on my neck as well. All right. I don't do a mask during the day, but I will do an under eye patch, especially if I have an event or a shoot that I have to go to. And these are the Skin Iceland Hydro Cool Firming Eye Gels. I love them. And what I really like about these is that they do not move once you put them on. So they're great for when you're doing your makeup too. You can just put this underneath your eyes and do your eyeshadow, and you can remove it and get that perfect kind of edge. And I love using this on my clients as well. And it's so funny because if you get this really close to your eye, it kind of gives you like an eye lift and you can't really look down. I keep these in the fridge, by the way, so that when I have them on, they're really nice and cooling. And I'm the type of person that gets really puffy and I have like a lot of water retention. So this is great. And I actually do notice a difference once I take them off. And this is usually where I'll sit and kind of contemplate and do emails and drink coffee. And did you guys really think I was gonna do a video without my little baby Timmy? And then after about 15 minutes or so, I just take these off. And I just really love how these feel. Then I move on to eye cream. I'm taking the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. Honestly, I don't really use eye cream that much. A lot of the time, I just won't use it. But I am getting into it. This is literally just how much I use. Very little. And I just spread that so you barely have anything, honestly. And just tap that underneath. I used to go all the way up to my lash line, but apparently it's not good to do that because the eye cream already travels as you put it on, and it could irritate your eye too. Sometimes I get a lot of dryness here from shaving, so I'll just put whatever is left over here. And a lot of the time I'll just use eye cream on my neck as well. For moisturizer, I've been using the Biossance Squalane and Probiotic Gel Moisturizer, and I really like this. It feels like I have nothing on. And I mix in this 111 Skin Vitamin C Brightening Booster, and it basically just adds vitamin C actives into a moisturizer, and I love that. I'm going to struggle here, but I just put a very tiny bit. Then I shake this up. And they say to mix in 1 to 2 drops, but do we ever really mix 1 to 2 drops? I don't know. And I just mix that all together, and basically it's just like water. I love how this feels. And at this point, I just let my skin kind of calm down and just wait for a bit. And that is my morning routine. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Harper's Bazaar Arabia.